Hello and welcome back to the new video of the Java tutorial series. So today we have completed the OOPS concepts and now it's time for the exercise. So exercise on OOPS concepts. Head over to this link. Just type this link in your browser and you will be redirected to this page which is HackerRank page, and here you can see some basic challenges on the OOPS concepts in a Java Inheritance 1, Java Inheritance 2, abstract class, interfaces, method overriding, method overriding 2, instance of keyword. So you can try solve these questions on your own, but I will be taking for the first 5 questions of this challenges, and you can try all these challenges by you can also try easy, medium and hard. You can set difficulty level as whatever you want. I'll be solving easy ones, and so in this video we will be talking Java Inheritance 1 and Java Inheritance 2 solution to these problems. Okay, so the problem statement is: using inheritance, one class can acquire the properties of others. Consider the following animal class. So they have given us an animal class which has one method void walk, and which is printing I am walking, and this class has only one method walk. And next time we want to create a bird class that also has a fly method. We do this using extend keywords. Okay, so they have created one more class, a bird, which extends the animal and which has its own method fly, and I'm flying is the print statement which is written inside this fly method. And finally we create the bird object that can both fly and walk. Okay, so they have one class solution inside which they have written main method, and inside main method they have created the object of the bird class, and using that object they have called walk and fly method. And obviously this way two methods will print I'm walking and I'm flying. This means that a bird object has all the properties that animal object has, as well as some additional unique properties. Okay, the code above is provided for you in the editor. You must add a sing method to the bird class, then modify this main method accordingly so that the code prints the following line. Okay, so the expected output should be I am walking, I am flying, and I am singing. Okay, so they have provided us this code editor. Okay, and we are expected to write one more method for the bird class, which is sing method, as you can see over here. Okay, so we will write something void sing, and inside this method we will simply write system dot out dot println, and inside this method I will write what we have to write. I am singing. I will copy this string and paste it over here. Okay, this is the method that they asked to write. Okay, and then modify the main method accordingly so that the code prints the following lines. Okay, so I have to modify the solution class also, and here bird.sing is there. Okay, now I guess it should print I'm singing. I'm submitting the code. Before that I will run the code. Okay, let me just log in through my Google account. Now it's okay. And now I will run the code. Okay, sample test case 0 is passed. I'm walking, I'm flying, I'm singing, and the expected output should was also the same. Now I will submit the code. Yes, compiler message success. Now we congratulations. So you have solved this challenge. Okay, so this is about the Java inheritance 1 problem. We will look into the Java inheritance second problem also. Wait, let me open this in new tab. Okay. Okay, for the Java inheritance second problem, the problem statement is write the following code in your code editor below. A class named arithmetic with the method name add that takes two integer as a parameter and returns the integer denoting their sum. Okay, so let me write it down here. Comment what we have to do. Okay, we have to write one class name arithmetic. Okay, class arithmetic. Inside that class, we have to write one method name as add. One method should be there. Method add, which accepts two parameters int comma int, two integer parameters, and then it returns the sum, and it is returning the sum of the two numbers. Okay, and a class name adder that inherits from a superclass name arithmetic. Okay, class name adder. One adder class should be there. One adder class. Adder class which inherits the properties of the arithmetic class. Okay, so we have inherits the arithmetic class. Okay, and your classes should not be public. Okay, so we don't have to write a class as a public because one class is already declared as a public, which is solution. Okay, the input format is you are not responsible for reading any input from this stdin. A lock code stub will be test your submission by calling the add method. Okay, this is the normal, and output format should be you are not responsible for printing anything to std out. Your add method must return the sum of its parameter. Okay, the sample output they have given as my superclass is arithmetic and 42 13 is 20. Okay, okay, so write your code here. Okay, so first of all let me create one arithmetic class. Okay, abstract arithmetic abstract class class arithmetic, and inside this class I will write public abstract int add, and this is going to accept two parameters final int a and final int b. Okay, so this is the abstract method, so I don't need to write the body of this method. That's so okay, and now I have to declare one another method or class. Okay, inside this solution class I will just wait, I can't edit inside this solution class. Okay, let me create my own class in IntelliJ IDEA. I will name it as inheritance 2. I will get my main method and I will simply copy my arithmetic class that I have written over here. Copy, paste. Okay, now we have implemented the arithmetic and we have also implemented the add method which returns the sum, and now we have to override this method inside our public method, that is public class, sorry, inheritance 2. So we'll write public int add, and which accepts two parameter final int a comma final int b, and it performs simply the addition of the two numbers. It will return a plus b. Okay, and one more thing, it is extends this arithmetic class. Okay, Now it's okay. Now inside our main method, we will simply create the object of this inheritance class. Inheritance to obj1 is equals to new inheritance, and using this object we will call this add method. To call this method, we will simply write obj1 dot add, and we'll pass two numbers. Let's suppose two numbers can be anything, 10 comma 20. Okay, now I guess that is the work that we have to do inside this problem statement. We have to just uh, create one abstract class arithmetic and one abstract method which will simply perform addition of the two numbers, and that we have done over here. And we will create one object of that class and we'll call it and pass the parameters. Okay, now I will run this method, run this class, sorry, not method. And okay, wait, I have to, okay, I have to write this entire code inside one print statement because the method doesn't printing anything. Okay, and I will simply copy this and paste inside a print statement. And now if I run this question class, Java class, 30 is getting printed on the console. Yes, because the addition of the 20 and 10 is 30. So this is pretty much about this problem statement Java inheritance 2. Okay, so we'll discuss other problems also, Java abstract, Java interface, Java method overriding 2 in our upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video.